To resolve issues with the installation loop in Apex Legends, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully complete the installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Apex Legends. This includes checking your operating system, CPU, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be interfering with the installation. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they can sometimes block the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Apex Legends installer and select Run as administrator. This grants the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can help avoid installation loops. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall Apex Legends completely and then download and install the game again from the official source. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the installation loop and enjoy playing Apex Legends. If issues persist, consider seeking further support from the game's official forums or customer service.